What's up, guys? It's Vehicle Master 3000 here, and I'm recording this on Thanksgiving, but probably at a rate that the video uploads, it's probably not going to be Thanksgiving by the time this gets up. But today I'm recording the Road Rippers RammunitionMonster truck from 2009. This is the second generation. You can obviously tell by the size. I think it's a little smaller as far as the body. And the way they have the lights, like the light covers, and obviously it's louder. And they put, like, the screw is still in the chassis rather than putting it on the battery cover. So those are things that are all different. That's another weird thing about the second generations is on the third generation, from the third generation onward, they put the Dodge symbol, right there on the grill, right in the center. But on second generation, that doesn't exist. I think it's the same way on Bigfoot. I have Bigfoot, but it doesn't work. I'll have to look at it again later. But I don't think it has the Ford symbol either. It's kind of weird. It's just kind of worth pointing out. Also, on third generation, Rammunition and Raminator had a certain kind of light cover on them. See if you can see it. I'll back it up. Yeah, it had this like a slanted light cover, and Bigfoot had its own little rough light covers. But on second generation, they're all the same. It's kind of weird. Anyway, there's not a whole lot to say about this truck. So you got the front here, the bumper, has a lot of stickers on it. I got this from Goodwill like 2 years ago. When I first got this Rammunition, the wheels didn't actually work. It didn't actually go anywhere. And I opened it up, which was a real pain. I opened this up and it was, there was nothing wrong with it. Like, the board looked fine and everything. I opened it up and just kind of messed around with the board a little bit, and it kicked right back in after a little bit. It took me a couple months to do it, but eventually I got it working. It's worked ever since. Now, the only problem this has is that, you see these big wheels, these back wheels here, they're free, right? Like, okay, they're locked. Good. They're locked like they should be, except for you can push them backwards. I think that's kind of normal for monster trucks. Anyway, they're locked like they should be. But these front wheels are kind of loose. Like, that's not supposed to be a thing. So let me know in the comments. I believe I know it's wrong. I believe it's the crown gear in front. It's probably a little bit loose. Technically, if I wanted to, I could open that up and glue it. But after what's going on with the Dragon's Lair right now, I really don't feel like it. Because the Dragon's Lair is still open in my closet. That's saying something. And that's also a second generation, and it's probably the same process to take this apart. And I don't feel like trying to mess with those wheels, so no, it's staying right where it is. But I think it's the crown gear that's messed up on there. I believe that's the one in the front. But anyway, not a lot to say about it. So I have been, like I said, I've had this for about 2 years. I haven't taken the Goodwill stickers off because I've been lazy. But it's on the hood and the roof. In the back, you have the 4 buttons in the back, 2 circles, 2 squares, big rectangle, backward, forward. On the side, probably says Rammunition. And I think it has like advertising or something on it. And then the bottom, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it because of the big wheels. But there's the Toy State and all that stuff. I believe it says 2009 on the license plate. I believe. I'm not positive on that. 2 doors. It's kind of weird. Dodge likes 2 doors. Both the Ford ones are 4 doors. Has a lot of stickers on it. So yeah, let's press the buttons. See, I can make it. can make it do this. Now, I used to have a cat machine that I gave to someone that played that song. Now, there are several, well, there's two variations of that song. There's the first vehicle to play that song was the Turbo Wheelie Dodge Viper and a Chevy Corvette. Then these came in the Turbo Rever. And then a couple years later, Kid Galaxy probably wanted to be a lot like Road Rippers, so they also use this track. So yeah, there's been several different generations worth of using that song. So here's the next button. Now I did it because I was helping it. I had my hand right here on the back when it was rocking. This is what it does when it doesn't have help. So it does it, it's just not very efficient about it. Now it's time to watch it roll. Yeah, it works. The only problem it has is the rocking. And like I said, I'm not popping this open to try and fix that wheel. Because technically I could probably do it, but the Dragon's Lair, man, that thing's being a pain right now. I don't want to go through that with this. Because this pretty much works. And I'm really surprised because this is a second generation. People like to tear these up. So yeah. Now I can do the secret features. Make it say all four chants, do all four, one at a time. Restart, because I've made it do all four in a row before. everything I was trying to do, but I was trying to get those secret features out. It's hard to do them all 4 in a row, but I've done it before just like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is probably one of my best working monster trucks, aside from Vault Buster, and I think Snakebite. No, Snakebite takes the second for best working monster truck. And this one's third. Dragon Slayer technically would have been 4th if it was still working. And then Bigfoot, which I'm seriously considering getting rid of. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out.